How AI turns your phone into a car doctor. Ever thought your phone could double as a car mechanic? With new AI tools, it really can, right in your driveway. Most cars built since 1996 have an OBD2 port. Using a Bluetooth dongle and an app like Car Scanner or Talk Pro, AI reads engine codes and live sensor data, explaining fault alerts in plain English and helping you fix problems before they hit hard. AI can even diagnose engine noises. Tools like OtoMechanic analyze recorded sounds, like belt squeaks or starter clicks, and improve fault identification accuracy from approximately 37%, human guess, to approximately 57% with AI assistance. Apps like SPARQ and Vehicle Score let you take photos of leaks, dents, or dashboard lights, or chat with an AI mechanic. They'll analyze visuals and symptoms, offering explanations like a talking repair manual. These AI diagnostic tools help you catch issues early, save time, and cut costs. Tests show AI fault accuracy can reach approximately 90%, 94%, outperforming 76% accuracy from traditional methods, saving you from costly mechanic visits. Tip: always verify AI suggestions. Check visually under the hood or consult a mechanic. Accuracy varies with your car's age and model. Transform your phone into a smart car doctor, fast, easy, empowering. Like, subscribe, and comment. What issue would you want AI to diagnose next?